Alright, so in this video we're going to be showing you how to do homologation for your Audex events. So go to the Audex website and click on Rider Login. Given your CR ID of your club and click on the club dashboard access here. Then go down. Go to the calendar year which event you want to do homologation. So we want to do homologation for recently conducted 600 BRM. So this is the 9th October event that we're going to be doing the homologation. So click on this 12 number here and then you will get access to the homologation page. Now you need to have the sheet handy with you for putting in the exact data, and we have it handy over here. So this is all basis on last name. We have pulled out the sheet, so it becomes easy for us to do the homologation. It's in the same order. So we'll start with rider number 1. So he did not start, he did not turn up for the event, so we will put in DNS over here. So there are 4 states here: finished, DNS that is did not start, DNF that is did not finish, and LF that is late finish. And then we have D1, D2, D3, D4 depending on which day the event got concluded. So if it is a 200, most of the times it concludes on the same D1 itself, and if it is maybe a 300, at times it goes beyond the 12 AM, so it goes to the second day. Similarly with 300, 400 and 500. So we'll move on with the second rider. The second rider here is Mr. Shivanand Dandavati. He completed at 21:20 and that is on D2. So here we'll mark it as finished, D2, second day, and he finished at 21:20. So you can just scroll down over here and you can just press save these values. So you will see the rider completed within 39 hours 20 minutes, that is around 40 minutes before the end point. 40 hours is the total duration that has been given for a 600 BRM. So similarly we will do the homologation for all the other riders. Third rider, they arrived together, the Spirit of Randonneering, D2, 21:20. Okay, you need not press save again and again. You can press save once for all. Next, the fourth rider, he did not finish, he quit midway, so we will put him as DNF. We'll move on. The fifth rider over here, he arrived at 18:58. Press finished, click on D2 and 18:58. All right, go to the next. And then just press these values. Now if you press these if you press the save these values, you can still change them. In a scenario you have done a erroneous entry, you can still change them, so need not worry about that part. You again have a verification done with the sheet that you have in hand, so do a verification again. The first rider's D did not start. So all the entries are reconciled once again, and again save these values. Now again confirm over here. The totally 12 people who participated and fees paid by 12 people, 9 of them completed, 1 did not start, 2 did not finish. So if you are satisfied with the entry, do a cross verification once again if you want, and then press for send result for homologation. After you have pressed this OK button, you cannot change unless and otherwise you have to send a mail to Audex, and the process is a little long, so we request you to just check it twice or thrice and then do it. And the results have been homologated. Now you cannot change any of this. Now once this is done, Audex India submits the results to Audex France, and within 2 to 3 days the homologation is generated by Audex. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope it helped.